Well, heading back to school can be a way more fun when there are some blinged out notebooks involved. Oh, these are so cute. So, of course, our crafty DIY expert Vida Urbonas has two sparkly ideas that bring a little magic to your kids' backpacks. I love everything that you brought today. I don't have girls, but I want my boys to have all this.
I know. Well, and it's funny because I do. My daughter's 13, and she's just kind of past a unicorn mermaid phase, but she actually said she'll bring this to school. So I'm kind of excited about that. So cute.
Yeah, let's talk about unicorns and mermaids. They're so popular right now.
So I kind of like to look around and see what's trending out there. And this year, unicorns, mermaids, huge. And especially if you go shopping, you see kind of stuff, at the store everywhere.
Yeah.
But I wanted to design some really unique notebooks and, other things that you can have your child make for back to school.
Yeah, so go down the line here and tell us what you've got.
Okay, so we've got right over there, this is a mermaid just notebook. I went and got the back part of it at the dollar store. Unicorn notebook right here. These little pom-poms, we're going to show you how to make it in a little bit. Just unicorn pom-poms that they can attach to their backpacks.
That's cute.
Or their keys or whatever, carry around. This over here is a mermaid school caddy, and we've got a little mermaid theme here, but on the side I painted it and put some chalkboard paint so you can put little to-do lists on the side.
That's a reminder.
So when you're doing your homework.
Is this a bottle opener on this side?
It is a bottle opener.
Oh, that's cute.
So you can just get them anything. Yeah. So if they want a soda, whatever, they can have that there. Over here, another unicorn one of just like a composition book without the eyes. And then over there at the dollar store, I got that little fluffy pillow and made a little unicorn fluffy pillow.
All right, and so I'm feeling a theme here. You don't have to spend top dollar to really make some really crafty things that look high dollar.
Yes.
You said dollar store quite a bit.
I did say dollar store. So a combination between dollar store or something you find on sale, because you really don't have to, it's going to add up in price when you go back to school shopping. And you really want to show off when you go back. So you can get a lot of it at the dollar store. You can get the rest at the craft store. Of course, you need your glue gun for most of this.
Yeah, you do.
I just lost part of that, but I'll put it in a little later. But I think we want to show you first how to make a couple of these. I'm going to show you on the spot. That is for our unicorn notebook. Got some of that sequins fabric at the fabric store, and I only got about 1/3 of a yard on it, and it'll make a bunch of them. You cut it out, you measure it, you cut it out, like I said, the great thing about it is you can make a bunch of stuff with this. Take your glue gun. I got that notebook at the dollar store.
Love it.
Love that word. That trim too at the dollar store, and just use my glue gun, and it's sticky, and put that all the way around. Then some felt. Cut out some ears and then glued on some gold on that. And you can really pick any color you want to put in the ears. Really hold that there with the glue gun. This is how you make the horn. You cut it out in a cone shape, you flip it over, fold it over, and then take that glue gun and just secure it. Take some string, you can do whatever you want, and kind of sandwich it together, and then that's the fun part. You get to lay out your unicorn and be as descriptive and exciting as you want. You could go very little, like I said on that one, I didn't add the eyes. This is all felt. These are just some little like dried flowers or some of those, those fabric flowers you get at the store. Glue that all on, and there you have.
Look how cute.
Your unicorn notebook.
I love
to be so excited.
I love that the unicorn horn is kind of, it almost looks three-dimensional.
Yes.
So, it's not just paper flopping
right
there.
And you can use felt for this too. I mean, really the beauty about it, you can get super creative with whatever you want to do.
Absolutely. Now, the girls who come home, or come to school with this are going to come home and go, Mom, my friends all want to do this.
Right.
But how fun for all the girls to get together and then create their own and be creative.
Because I like them to put down that phone. And this is something my daughter was helping me with. So they just enjoy just putting the phone down, getting away from the TV, and then it makes it kind of fun because you can talk about it at school, and it kind of makes organizing a little fun too.
It does make it. Well, and you take care of your things more when there's a lot more love involved. You were saying your 13-year-old's okay with taking that to school, so it's really for all ages.
Yeah,
and
for me, I'm going to be carrying it around.
Yeah, right. All right, so mermaids are popular too. Let's get to the mermaid demonstration.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this mermaid notebook, and this is so fun. You can do a lot of things with it. You get that just kind of craft paper at the store. I got a special book, just basically an art book, but you can put it on anything. You get your hole puncher, and you punch out all these different kind of mermaid colors, and from there you take out that glue gun. I just had so much fun with my glue gun. I was up till midnight last night doing exercise. I'm like, wait, I want to do this. So you just kind of lay it out in the bottom, all the way across the bottom, and there you go. You'll see that in a minute when and you just create your line, and then you just layer it.
Yeah,
and you can pick. You can pick any colors you want, and that's fun about it too. The kids can go with you to the store and design it the way they want to.
Yeah.
Maybe they don't want their mermaid thing, but they like that style.
Yep.
They can go get, you know, different colors and just spend some time working your way up on it. And it really didn't take that long. It was, you know, a short while, and then finish it off on the top by cutting it in half and just kind of laying it out over the top.
Look at how fun.
You can do this on more than just notebooks. You can do this on, you know, pencil holders.
Yeah.
I was even thinking I kind of want to go make like a lampshade for the bedroom.
Oh,
So say you
that'd
want
be
to have a
cute.
unicorn thing
Yeah,
in the bedroom.
yeah.
I
And
mean,
real-
a mermaid thing bedroom.
It's cute. And real quickly, these little
Yes.
pom-poms.
Okay.
No, well, we don't have a lot of time, but just
Okay.
they're fun.
Yeah, so this, again, dollar store. This I got at the craft store.
'Kay.
You cut out some little ears just like that, and then we cut this out right here. We're gonna glue this together. I dropped my little glue piece.
I
And just
know.
cut
That's
me off
okay.
when you need to.
Oh,
'cause
no,
I'm gonna
you
post
keep
this
going.
on my YouTube channel.
This year is mermaids and unicorns. Next year's might be dragon and dogs. You don't know, but you can change it up. You can do
No,
anything you want.
do
These are such great
anything.
ideas,
So-
Vida. You're so creative.
It's so much fun. You fold this over, and this is where you can get your nail polish really goopy. Because my nail polish was beautiful yesterday, and then got kind of goopy.
Well, and you
on
have to be
this.
careful with these glue guns. I've burned
do.
myself a few times. So
And they do have special glue gun gloves.
Yeah,
So for the
that's a good idea.
kiddos doing this for the first time, or you help them out with this, depending on kind of, you know, the age. And then you just glue it in here. Same with the horn. And you just kind of mesh it in.
And pom-poms are good for backpacks or the keychains.
Yeah.
So cute.
It makes having the keychain a little more fun, and even just creating a bunch of these and putting it on the backpack.
Excellent.
Yes.
So fun. We love it, and so glad you're here. All right. You can find all of Vida's DIY projects and the full video of step-by-step instructions on her unicorn and mermaid crafts. Just go to cookcraftkids.com. Subscribe to her YouTube page today to see all of her great ideas, and log on and search for the Parenting Channel. It's all one word, no spaces. We love Vida.